average of 5 with this cube, and I'm going to do the scrambles from my phone, but these scrambles are going to be shown on the screen as well. So if you want to follow on, you can do the same scrambles on your 2x2. Now let's get started. The first scramble is on your screen. If you want to do the same scrambles on your cube, you can do it as well, only if you want. Oh no, +2. The second scramble is on the screen. By the way, I use the method or data, which consists 3 steps. Step 1, make a layer or a side. Step 2, make the top side whatever color it's supposed to be, because you can be color neutral. Step 3, solve the rest. .30, a decent time for me. The third scramble is on your screen. Sub 7, that's the time I want. The fourth scramble is on your screen. The fifth scramble is on your screen. A decent time. My average is 9.18. It's a decent average for me, but I'm still quite happy with it. Before I end this video, I want to give a short review about this cube. It's quite smooth, fast but controllable. Doesn't need any changes after unboxing it. Its corner cutting is perfect, and I would like to rate this a 9 out of 10. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more such videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.